Looking for the best slushy machine for home to beat the summer heat? I bought and tested 5 top-rated models to see which ones deliver authentic icy treats without needing a bucket of ice. Here's my honest first-hand breakdown.
Product number 1, Ninja SLUSH Frozen Drink and Slushy Frozen Drink Machine. When I pulled this premium beast out of the box, the streamlined design felt incredibly solid and sturdy on my counter. Testing it out, the rapid chill tech blew me away because it freezes any liquid without using a single ice cube. I poured in some fruit juice, and within 20 minutes, it turned into the smoothest, most perfectly textured slush I've ever had at home. The digital display makes choosing between the 5 presets simple, and it kept my frozen drinks perfectly chilled for 12 full hours during a weekend barbecue. The dishwasher-safe parts mean cleanup takes practically zero effort. If you want a commercial-grade, zero-dilution experience and have the counter space, this high-end unit is absolutely worth the investment. But if you want a similar premium performance in a slightly narrower footprint for tight kitchens, this next model is a phenomenal alternative that saves counter space.
Product number 2, Iceman by Chefman Slush-Ease 68-ounce slushy machine. Lifting this out of the packaging, I noticed how wonderfully compact it is, measuring under 7 inches wide. I set it up on my kitchen island and it looked great without hogging all my room. During my testing, I tried out the touch control panel to make a batch of frozen margaritas. The front lever felt smooth and responsive, dispensing icy drinks straight into my glass without any messy dripping. It comfortably made enough servings for 6 people in roughly 20 minutes, which is fast enough to keep up with a small group. My favorite part is the dedicated clean function that effortlessly flushes out the internal tank with soap and water. If you love throwing small gatherings and need an easy-to-use dispenser that cleans itself, this mid-priced machine is an amazing choice. If you want a versatile hybrid machine that handles more than just beverages, look at this next device. Product number 3, Ranvaira Slushy Machine. Handling this elegant black appliance, the sturdy construction and bright LED touchscreen immediately caught my attention. When I tested it with my family, I was thrilled to find 6 smart presets that handle everything from soft-serve ice cream to milkshakes and frappés. I poured in some simple soda, and the high-performance spiral cooling mechanism created a flawless texture in just 15 minutes without requiring any ice chips. The 40-ounce vessel is perfectly sized to whip up around 4 substantial servings, making it ideal for a quick family dessert night. I especially love that the internal components are completely removable and dishwasher safe, which spares you from tedious manual scrubbing. If you want a multifunctional dessert powerhouse that keeps your kids happy with diverse treats, this highly adaptable model is a stellar buy. Now, if you prioritize pure liquid capacity to fuel larger backyard parties, let's look at a true giant. Product number 4, WETIE Slushy Machine. Unboxing this massive unit, I could immediately tell it was built for serious entertaining based on its hefty weight and gigantic container. Testing it out during a long family gathering, the massive 82-ounce capacity allowed me to pour in large batches of juice and walk away. By rotating the smart control knob, I easily tweaked the temperature settings to customize the exact hardness of the slush to my guests' liking. The continuous refill function is an absolute lifesaver because I could add more liquid on the fly without turning off the motor. My favorite safety feature is the built-in child lock, which kept my kids from accidentally interrupting the 24-hour continuous cooling cycle. If you routinely host large crowds and need a reliable, high-volume workhorse with deep cleaning capabilities, this is the ultimate choice. However, if you want that same large capacity combined with a soft-serve ice cream dispenser, look here.
Product number 5, SYINTAO 2-in-1 Slushy and Soft Serve Ice Cream Maker. Setting up this dual-purpose countertop machine, the professional dispenser layout made my kitchen feel like an old-school ice cream parlor. When I put it to work, the dual mode switch allowed me to seamlessly toggle between whipping up rich vanilla soft serve and icy cherry slushies. The vertical auger design mixes ingredients thoroughly, resulting in an incredibly uniform texture without any annoying chunky ice deposits clogging the spout. I noticed the heavy-duty motor operates quietly in the background, so it won't drown out your conversations during dinner parties or family movie nights. The external drip tray catches any accidental overflows perfectly, keeping your kitchen counters completely spotless and dry. If you want the ultimate entertainment appliance that satisfies both ice cream lovers and frozen cocktail fans, this versatile model wraps up our list perfectly. It brings a massive amount of value for families who want to enjoy multiple refreshing desserts easily.
Every machine here hits a distinct sweet spot for budget and volume compatibility. Go premium with the rapid freeze units for ultra-smooth texture, or save cash with the compact options if counter space is tight. Click the links in the description below to lock in your price today.